Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very, very happy. I couldn't dream of a better moment to present a project we've been working on for about 2 years with Orange. And this project is about visualizing the emotions. You all know that in the 70s, when the mobile technologies appeared, that nobody could forecast a better market share than a few percent, up to 6 or 7%, I think, in the US. And we needed sociologists to say that actually, to be reachable, to be able to reach the beloved whenever, wherever, was the dream of everybody, so that the market share now is about 100%. Everybody has a mobile, everybody uses it to share emotions, and what we've been working on is to show how these emotions can be located on a map, and how it can tell the story, and how we can use it to use it for history. What if we had mobile data during the French Revolution? Maybe, finally, we would be sure if at the Bastille Day, there was a few dozen of people or a few thousands of people. Nobody knows right now. For the Berlin Wall fall in 1999, that's a bit clearer, just because we have the television and lots of other information. But what we really need is now to have people emotion on a map. And what we've been working on, thanks to also to MIT Carlo Ratti, and you can easily understand that for French people that wasn't that easy to look so many times at this French defeat at the World Cup, Soccer World Cup. So we had to work on some new models, and that's the reason why we've been trying to use Orange data in different countries and to localize them on maps for different events. So I think that videos would be better than anything. And this is, for example, the World Music Day in Paris. And hopefully it will work. And what you can see here is the movements that the handovers over antennas during the whole day. That's the 21st of June, 2008. So you can see people just like ants. You can see people moving using tube. And that's the very first representation of what people did on that day. And you will see in a while people moving to the very places of the World Music Day. Okay. Second video is in Barcelona. Sorry. That was for the finals of the latest Euro Championship. So you see here, that's a very, very nice map of Barcelona. And what you'll see is the afternoon before the match. You'll see the match starting, and after it's about 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., the first goal, then the victory of Spain, and afterwards all the people going to the Ramblas in Barcelona. I'm so sorry it doesn't work. I can't understand why, but that's... You'll be able to see all the videos on urbanmaps.fr, and that's also in English, of course. Last example would be in Paris again, but this time using SMS. What is interesting for us with SMS is just that you can maybe profile some more, teenagers using heavy users of SMS, and so we'll be able, using that type of profile, to show some different uses of the city. And so that's World Music Day again. So what you can see here is that kind of firework is a Tokyo Hotel concert. So of course, lots of teenagers. And after that's in here, in the west of Paris, and then a second concert in Auteuil by David Guetta. Again, all the videos are available on our site. So what we've been working on is mainly to give visualization, to give some more meanings to this data. Our point now is to first extract the data, then to explore what can be done with them, and then to explain. Our goal, the main goal, is now to explain to everybody, to show something nice when it works, to explain to people what can be done with this data, all this geolocalized data. Just because now it's very scary to people, all this data, and if we don't show what can be done with this information, I'm almost sure that everything, all the very, very interesting presentation we had this afternoon couldn't be, arriving, just because people won't accept giving the data without knowing what will be done with this data. And so that's the reason why we had this showcase in 6 different European cities. And I'll be very happy to answer to your question later on. Thank you very much.